Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being part of this journey. Now today I'm bringing you guys a recipe for my favorite old-time indulgence. They call it by a lot of names, but we at home call it aMagwinya. Others call it Vetkoek, others call it Fatcakes. Whatever the case, the results on your hips are universal. Now many do it different ways. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do it. Now I love having these with plain old mango atchaar, but you can have it with many other different things. You can have it with chakalaka, you can have it with a stew, you can have it with chips. Hey, you can even have it with just tea and coffee. Whatever suits you, you go for it. I hope you guys will join me and you'll let me know, how do you guys do it? How do you like to have aMagwinya? When do you like having it? Because I can have these any time of the year. My excuse this time is that we are moving into winter. That's my excuse. Guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe and let me know how it goes for you if you tried this at home. All right, let's get cooking. Consistency when it's no longer sort of like messing up your hand. So you see, I keep adding the flour until it's no longer so watery that it's messing up my hand. And also that a woman's container should be clean once she finishes making her dough. That's how it looks. That's the best I can do, guys. Now where we come from, we cover this with a clean kitchen cloth and then we leave it. So I'm gonna leave this in the fridge overnight. Hopefully it doesn't overrise and spill out, but yes, leave this in the fridge overnight and tomorrow I can make my special treat. All right guys, so let's call it a night. Now guys, I'm going to use a small frying pan. I don't want to use too much oil, but I want my magwinyas to be covered with most of the oil. So by using a small surface area, I don't have to put too much oil in the pan. Yes, it will mean I put little at any one time, but hey, there's only 2 of us, so it's not necessary for me to use a very big pan. All right.